Welcome to English with Leanne. Today we have the expression to draw attention. And is this an idiom? Kinda not. But the dictionary just says it's a verb, so it's probably a collocation, but we're not going to worry about that because we want to talk about what it means and how to use it. Because you can use to draw attention to, and to draw someone's attention to. So let's work through all of this. To draw attention. So draw here, to draw, it's going to be like a pull. Think of a magnet that draws another magnet to it. So we're going to have this pull to draw attention. So you're going to be pulling the focus to you or to something. So if I say, when I wear this dress, I draw a lot of attention. Oh, so here I'm saying everyone looks at me. Their attention, their focus is on me. But if I say, can I draw your attention to the flat tire before we start? I'm saying, can I get you to focus on the flat tire? So when you draw attention to something or someone, you're putting the attention on that item. So I want to draw your attention to how our dog has been behaving this last week. I think he's sick. And this is putting the attention, the focus on the dog. So when you draw attention to something or someone, you're putting the attention on them. Now, if you want to draw somebody's attention, I hope Luke is at the party this weekend. I want to draw his attention. Oh, so you want his attention on you. Or I could say, next week at the meeting, I'm hoping to draw my boss's attention to the fact that none of us have gotten a raise recently, and the standard of living has really increased. Okay, so here you're going to direct your boss's focus to how much money everyone makes, their salaries, that they need raises. So when we use this, to draw attention, the base, right? To draw attention is going to be to pull or move someone's attention or focus. But then we can draw attention to something or someone, and that's where we're going to move it to. And you can draw somebody's attention to, and now we're directing some person, or maybe even everyone. I need to draw everyone's attention to today's schedule. We need to stay on track. We can't get behind. So as you can see, you can build on this verb by adding the to at the end or specifying whose attention you want in the middle. So good luck using to draw attention.